those of you with less than, let's say, $250,000 liquid, you're not going to make any real money trading your own cash. We have this, like I said, we have the software now to cover the skill problem, right? I don't have time on the skills. Our software will take care of all that. So you pair prop accounts with our software, and that's basically the perfect storm. You now have technology trade on autopilot, and you have capital to make it worthwhile. So let's say you're averaging like 1% per week, right? And you have one person that's got 10,000, one's got $100,000, one's got $1 million in trading cash, right? 1% per week on 10,000 is $100. Unless you're sleeping under a bridge, or basically you can't do anything with that. It might pay your DoorDash bill. You've got $100,000 trading 1% to $1,000 a week. That'll help out with bills, but nothing to get too excited about, right? But here's where it gets good. Let's say you have $1 million in prop cash in play. 1% is $10,000 a week. That's life-changing money for almost everybody. You have $10 million in play. 1% is $100,000 a week. That's big money for basically anybody. So you can see that with just a small, safe, consistent, steady return on a large prop account balance of $1 million plus, you're making really good money. So you can have 10,000 of your own cash, average out 1% per week, make $100 a week, which is basically a waste of time, right? Or you do the exact same thing, but with $1 million in prop capital, and now you're making $500,000 a year. Let's say you compounded that, right? Let it just don't pull the money out, just keep letting it pile up and keep incrementally raising the leverage. You're pushing $800,000-900,000 your first year. That makes you a 1% income earner just off using prop accounts versus sitting there grinding away for years trying to make it up with your own cash.